Hi, I'm Heather from Carseat site. How can we change the buckle slot position in the Graco Extend2Fit? Let me show you how. Recline the Extend2Fit all the way and extend the extension panel all the way as well. Now you can see the buckle slots right here. From the top of the seat, press down on the buckle so that you have slack on the bottom. Take the metal buckle slide like this, turn it on its side, press it flat against the webbing and push it up through the slot and pull with the other hand. This may take some finagling. There we go. And from the top, push down through the cover in the new buckle slot that you want, as well as the plastic slot. Make sure you're matching up the same slot in the cover and the plastic. Pull through and make sure it's flat against the plastic. Pull up from the top. That's it.